wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best soup makers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the versatile Soyajoy G4 can make blended meals and dairy milk in addition to soups, so it's a good choice for vegetarians. It features a stainless steel grinding and cooking chamber, so no plastic leaches into your food. It operates smoothly and quietly and comes with a temperature and water level sensor. However, cleaning can be difficult. At number 9, at first glance it might seem like the Philips HR2204 can only produce purees, but it is capable of creating chunky dishes. It takes up little counter space and can produce hot results in about 18 minutes. It comes with 6 preset programs and holds a little over a liter, but it may not cook meat fully. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Presto Pure IAE 15 has an attractive and durable stainless steel body. It works well with a wide range of ingredients, including legumes, nuts, and vegetables. It's equipped with a stay cool exterior and a half-gallon capacity. However, it does leak occasionally. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soup makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a popular choice for which you'll find no end of recipes online. The Instant Pot Duo Nova acts a lot like a pressure cooker, but with more versatility and no need for a stove. It's simple to program and requires little effort to keep clean. There are 4 sizes to choose from and the lid seals automatically, but it does take some time to learn how to use it. Moving up our list to number 6. The 4.7 quart all-clad Prep and Cook comes complete with 6 automatic cooking programs, 5 accessories, and a collection of 300 recipes for you to work your way through. It offers an adjustable speed and temperature and a steel bowl with steam control. However, the lid could be more durable. Halfway up our list at number 5. The blendtec Classic 575 blender is a versatile machine used in professional smoothie shops and coffee houses around the world, but it can also make soup by simply running it for 5 to 10 minutes. It arrives with a useful spatula for scooping out the contents. It includes a pulse mode for processing and a clear BPA-free jar. It's made in the USA. At number 4, the Kitchenaid multi-cooker offers 10 programmable cycles and includes step-by-step guidance for turning out hot dishes like creamy risotto, rich stews, and thick bisques without the effort of constant stirring. It features a 4-quart ceramic-coated pot, a 24-hour slow-cook timer, and a steamer. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the vorwerk thermomix comes with everything you need to prepare chowders, bouillabaisse, and even complete meals. Its large color touchscreen makes searching for and executing dishes a breeze. It boasts over 100 programmable recipes and weighs and measures automatically. It's good for baby food. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soup makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Vitamix 780 is a multifunctional blender designed to do everything from liquefying smoothies to making fresh ice cream. It doesn't have a heating element, but it creates enough friction with its blades to boil water in about 6 minutes. It boasts a capacitive touchscreen interface and a durable container, and is backed by a 7-year warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, capable of producing an impressive range of dishes, from savory goulash to creamy custard, the cedarlane Bellini Kitchen Master can turn raw ingredients like crunchy tubers and hearty cuts of meat into mouth-watering meals. It comes with a bilingual cookbook and a powerful 800-watt motor. It can stew and steam simultaneously. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soup makers, or simply click beneath this video.